Looking for a new twist on the classic Christmas wreath? Check out these simple and affordable DIY projects you can make at home. With only a few seasonal accents, a galvanized metal tray can go from serving dish to Christmas wish. Try painting a holiday design on the tray to add interest and depth. You can paint freehand or use a stencil, like we did. When the paint's dry, glue on greenery picks and ceramic houses. Try adding battery-powered lights to the ceramic houses. It adds the perfect amount of Christmas charm. For a traditional design, laser-cut wall decor is the stylish solution. Adding greenery will give it a holiday vibe. Use a combination of floral wire and jute to secure the trimmed stems. Then attach it to the wreath with hot glue. We added bells and a classic bow to complete the look. Capture boho beauty with a woven tray. Add a simple word or phrase by painting our pre-made letters. Finish by customizing some of our ready-made embellishments, and this wreath is ready to display. Feel free to add any touches that suit your style as you live a creative life. For a list of the products used, click on our project supplies link below. And for more inspiration, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos.